Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome for the first time. Today I have a Foundation Friday for you and we're gonna try the new e.l.f. Soft Glam. So let's just get into it. So I have two shades here. I got 13 Fair Neutral and 15 Fair Warm because I wasn't sure, couldn't quite tell online, and I didn't go to the store. I ordered it online. So we'll just swatch them both and then we'll see. Here's the warm. And then the neutral. I think it's gonna be this one, the neutral, but they're very close. Okay, yeah, there's the side by side. All right, let me go ahead and get the other side done and I'll be right back. Okay, so there we go. It's got a satiny matte finish. Well, not quite, where it's not quite glowy, it's not quite matte. You can see the glow just a little bit as it catches the light, but it's definitely not like a Makeup Forever Hydra Glow or anything. It's not quite as much, oh, I got hair stuck to my forehead. It's not quite as much coverage as I need. You can see I got a breakout here and here that I'm gonna have to cover up with concealer. But yeah, I think it's nice. Let me just do the rest of my makeup. Okay, well, I just did a simple look today. I have some errands to run and I want to wear test this foundation. So I think it came out really nice. I did powder. I used the Makeup Forever powder, which is my favorite. And I need my makeup to last today. So we're really giving this foundation every chance in the book to really last and work all day. So next time you see me, I'll probably do some daylight footage and then we'll be wear testing it. It's a little overcast today, but I did want to get some natural light footage of this foundation just so you can see. It does look nice. Not a whole lot of coverage, you know, solid medium. It's a good color match too. So we are, let's see, we're about 5 hours in and this is some more natural light. It's definitely wearing off around my nose, the sides of my nose, around my mouth, on my chin, anywhere that I get oily. It is not lasting. So this one might be a dud, guys. I hate that because it's only $8, but it's not oily / combo girl friendly. Okay, so it's been about 7.5 hours and I'm gonna call the wear test here because it is definitely not lasting. Like if you can see how it's breaking up all around my oiliest areas, it's just not, yeah, not the foundation for me. Not oily / combo skin friendly. But I mean, it's a good price point. If you have really dry skin, it may work for you. Because it is kind of staying on my drier areas and not looking too bad. So anyway, if you want to see more wear tests like this, because I do a lot of foundation wear tests and just content where I try to save you some money, please consider subscribing and I will see you next time. Bye.